The next type of logical reasoning we're going to talk about is analogical reasoning, and this is actually a type of inductive reasoning. When we use analogical reasoning, we are comparing two similar cases to one another and arguing that what is true of one is going to be true of the other. And when we are using analogical reasoning, we are trying to highlight significant similarities that exist between these two different cases or sets of circumstances. So, for example, if you came to me and told me that you were pretty good at tennis, I might tell you that you should try out for the badminton team. The reason for this is that tennis and badminton are two sports that have a lot in common. In both sports, you are using a racket to try to hit an object over a net in order to score points. And so I'm taking those major data points, those significant similarities that exist between these two sports, and saying that if you are talented in one, you are likely going to be talented in the other. Now, there are ways that this type of reasoning can go awry, which we're going to talk about when we get to the different fallacies. But in order to make an analogical reasoning argument, we need to be able to say that these two cases are similar enough to one another that what is true of one is going to be true of the other.